Welcome to this market overview of the digital recipe consumption market. The global digital recipe consumption market was valued at $625.91 million in 2024 and is projected to reach $1,706.30 million by 2032. With a reported 15.4% CAGR in the public market summary. The market is being shaped by recipe apps, recipe websites and blogs, and food content distributed through social media platforms. By platform type, mobile applications led the market with 51.21% share and $278.66 million in 2023, and they are projected to grow at 15.69% CAGR. By revenue model, freemium or ad-supported platforms led with 64.07% share and $348.62 million. By end user, home cooking was the largest segment at 63.58% share, equal to $345.93 million, and it is also the fastest growing end user segment. Public web pages for the exact digital recipe consumption market do not expose a full open table of 2024 regional revenues and CAGRs. So, to keep the script numerical and transparent, the following are proxy estimates based on the public recipe apps market regional mix, scaled to the $625.91 million 2024 digital recipe consumption total. On that basis, North America is about $242.23 million at a proxy 12.356% CAGR, Europe about $174.57 million at 12.841% CAGR, Asia Pacific about $135.14 million at 14.879% CAGR, Latin America about $32.55 million at 13.735% CAGR using the South America proxy, and Middle East and Africa about $41.31 million with a blended proxy CAGR of about 13.3%. In North America, demand is supported by high smartphone penetration and strong interest in subscription-based food media. Europe benefits from deep culinary culture and growing demand for sustainable eating and food waste reduction tools. Asia Pacific is the fastest growing region, driven by a young mobile-first population and strong demand for video-based food content. Latin America benefits from social recipe sharing and local cuisine discovery, while Middle East and Africa are supported by rising internet connectivity, mobile-first usage, and high demand for visual food content. Overall, digital recipe consumption is growing fast as cooking content becomes more mobile, more personalized, and more integrated with social platforms, grocery planning, and smart kitchen experiences. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.